RCL 2025 के इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आप सबों का स्वागत है। और मंच पर सबसे पहले अपने विषय को रखने से पहले और अन्य सभी लोगों का वक्तव्य जानने से पहले मैं सबसे पहले तो इंट्रोड्यूस कराना चाहूँगा हमारे साथ।
Cricket has been used as a vehicle to showcase this cause of Hunger Free Bharat and bring these talented people and the hospitality industry under one wing and use cricket to combine together to get this vehicle going. So I think rules and all, just to make it entertaining because it's a televised thing, people want to see sport. Nobody wants to see a one-sided encounter. किसी को sports का क्या है? So sports एक ऐसी चीज है, the best reality show दुनिया का जो है ना वो sports है, क्योंकि कोई script नहीं, ये नहीं पता क्या होने वाला। तो जब तक वो इंटरेस्ट एलिमेंट ना हो, अब वो इंटरेस्ट एलिमेंट क्या क्योंकि इग्नोर कर रहे हैं, अब वहाँ पे बीसीसीआई के रूल लगाएंगे तो फिर तो आपका जो सवाल है वो थोड़ा सा उसका आंसर देना बड़ा मुश्किल है। क्योंकि रूल्स बनाए गए हैं उस स्टेडियम के हिसाब से, हमारी कोर कॉम्पिटेंस जो है जो खेल रहे हैं उनके हिसाब से और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के हिसाब से। तो वो जब आप आएंगे उसका फॉर्मेट क्या होगा, इट इज ट्वीक्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेन्यू, अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन। तो उसका मतलब क्रिकेट ही खेली जाएगी पर इन सच अ होलिस्टिक मैनर कि उसका एज भी रहे, कंपटीशन भी हो और जिस चीज के लिए एकजुट हुए उसका मैसेज भी जाए।
बेसिकली आपका मतलब है एंटरटेनमेंट।
So this and I have been put as a chair here because basically I had been conducting a lot of exercise on Hunger Free India earlier. But to talk about hunger in India, we have shifted from hunger to nutrition, and that is the small difference. It's not a small difference, it's a very big difference. And ever since free food to 100 crore people has been given, the question of hunger does not exist. But there is of course a significant aspect to world hunger, and the chefs and the restaurant cricket league, which is a part of hunger and culinary displays and support, we try to combine both of it to have a very futuristic approach to a cricket league. The league is not in competition with any other leagues, but when we talk about this as an institution, you would barely come across an individual who has been born, who has not moved out from his home and gone for a culinary treat. And whatever we have in India, with about 550,000 food service businesses, and the food service establishments which we have is roughly about 42 lakhs, and could be more, those uncounted ones, but we are second in the world again after China. And I think most of it is in the unorganized sector, which of course definitely has an appetite for food and games. We talk about pubs, bars, but there are youngsters who definitely have a way attraction for cricket, and that is an appetite for almost every Indian. Going further on that, we have dhabas, we have street stalls, we have hawkers, we have roadside eateries, we have food cafes, and of course the structured youngsters working in the hotel industry, the five-star hotels, on cruises, on the chefs going abroad, the states having their own special culinary delicacies. It's a chapter which will definitely address hunger, but beyond that it will also address an aspect of sports which we have taken up. And this time we have, this is the third in the series of RCL 2025. And with luminaries joining this crusade, we decided to hold a press conference and put it at the national map, because RCL is going to move out to the states as well. There have been bid for several states in the teams, and Andhra Pradesh is called Mirchi, Gujarat is called Gujarat the Dynamos, Delhi team is called Delhi Dawat, Jammu and Kashmir is called Kawa Kings, Maharashtra is called Modak Manchers, Uttar Pradesh is called Kachori Kings, Rajasthan is called Dal Bhati Devils, and Uttarakhand is called Gultia. I really do not know the meaning of some of them, like Modak and Gultia, I would not know. It's a sweet, sorry, I'm just going through it. And of course, for Bihar, there must be some Litti Chokha ka outside of it. So I don't know whether, I don't see it there, but it will happen in some course of time. So this is a brief introduction, and I would request the CEO, Abhishek, to give a brief on the subject. So welcome all of you, and I think I have done the introductory part to launch RCL 2025. For years to come, there will be a lot of growth. We have already had a lot of interest by people across the country, big chains, and of course, with the visibility, what it is getting today in the field of cricket, with the subject of hunger-free India, the skilling aspect of millions who want to be great, millions who want to become a chef, who want to have a means of becoming a chef. In English, we call them a chef. In Hindi, not the right way to put it, but they are small-time halwais. But a better way is when we talk about continental dishes, when we talk about culinary, we talk about pastries, and so forth and so on. It's a different vocabulary, but end of the day, it is taste bud, hunger, and everyone needs it, and an appetite for games. So that is the beginning of today's press conference. Abhishek will carry forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.